finally,
Miss Karen!
Lakbay Antipolo to, guys.
Maraming salamat.
My gosh, kamusta ka?
I'm good. Ay, wait lang! Aparisyon! Pangarap nga kasi kita.
Totoo ba?
Mm.
My God, really?
As in,
Na-touch naman ako.
pangarap
My
kita.
God, talaga. Pero dear, beauty queen pa rin
Salamat
ang peg.
po.
Oh. Wow, thank you.
No,
So,
thank you.
how long have you lived here?
Okay, we are on our second year na.
Second
Almost
year.
second year.
Oo.
We're renting the place
Yes,
actually.
yes. And because meron kang belief in renting you and your husband, no?
Kasi growing family,
Yeah.
and then at the same time, nag-iiba rin yung mga pangangailangan mo. Like now, we're live selling, so ang dami naming
Yeah.
naging workplace na rin siya.
Exactly. And I wanted to say, ang ganda ng village na to. Tignan nyo.
Walang gate, diba?
Look at all the trees. Ang
Yes.
ganda.
Tsaka kahit iwanan mo yung whatever iwanan mo dito, walang magnanakaw.
Nice.
As
So,
in,
2
pwede.
years ka na.
Yes.
Pero before
On our-
this, you were in Manila.
Quezon City.
Ah,
Quezon
okay.
City.
Alright, nandun ka. Wow.
Ayan.
Hello!
Sige, pasok po kayo.
Eto si Chris.
Yes, Chris, my husband, and
Hello,
Francis.
Chris. Hello, hi Chris. Hi Chris, hi Chris. Nice
Ayan.
to meet you. Hi Francis. Wow, so.
Okay, dito, wait lang. Ito kasi, hey Google lights on.
Ay, wow, naka-Google Lights. Pala.
Eto, this is Ryle's room, may panganay.
Okay.
But because he works every day, dito ako nagla-live sell sa early morning.
Guys, ito yung mga bestsellers natin sa ating Anya Perfume PH, okay? So, ito yung mga palalaki, Bold Youth, if you want to smell like a varsity crush. Pero guys, kahit na 50 years old ka, bagay pa rin sa'yo yung scent na to.
Pag nandito siya, okay, I'll show you. Marami akong lugar, Miss Karen. Ayan.
Oo. So you have 3 kids.
Yes.
O, pakita mo na natin,
Okay.
itong anak mo, napaka-neat.
Kasi sinabihan namin siya, pag hindi ka neat, pwede ka nang mag-condo. Kasi
Ang
he's turning
linis
27 na
niya.
rin eh. Oo.
Oo, I wanna meet him, at may collection siya.
Yes.
ng pop-up
He works with
toys.
he works in face-to-face and vibe.
Okay.
Na yun. So,
Oo.
nandun siya. They also live sell kasi for Sanda. Sanda is a watch brand.
Can I see?
Baka, hindi yan RM, ha? Hindi yan Rolex, hindi yan Patek.
Yes.
Pero ito yun. So, yun.
Ang maganda lang, yung mga anak mo, in live selling, natututo sila to work hard.
Correct. Correct. Kasi natutunan nila yan ng pandemic. Kasi nung pandemic, di ba, nauso yung parang nag-host ka online. Ayun, so that's how they started. Yun, sabay-sabay kami halos talaga sa TikTok.
Oo.
We go to a studio in BGC for big lives naman. Yan. So ito yung mga boxes ng Anya perfumes.
Wow,
Ayan.
these are your products.
Yes, correct. So ito naman yung studio box where
Hindi, para palang studio ang bahay na to. Oo.
Ito yung studio box. Dito ko naman pinipicturan yung mga samples ng mga products na ila-live sell ko in the coming
Yes.
days. Pipicturan ko dyan ko
Where
mag-ano.
did you get this? Ang ganda
Siyempre,
nito.
ano bang ginagawa ko? Nagla-live sell ako. So,
Oo.
saan ko makikita yan?
Ang
Online lang din.
Ang galing pati ito.
Oo.
Sa amin na nga rin.
Ayan.
Para makabili na kami. Oo.
Ang ganda ng mga pictures. Kahit
Wait
ikaw,
lang,
pwede ka
let's
mag-picture
show
dyan.
this.
Ayan.
Okay, wait. Ito, marami nito sa bahay, but ito brand na ito ni... Brand mo na to, Shirley.
Yes, this is the Naya Radiance Melt
Okay,
Bar.
this is your brand.
10 times Glow Boost kasi lahat na ng mga tumitrending, Miss Karen, na lahat ng trending na active ingredients ngayon, nilagay ko na in one
In one
soap.
na.
So,
Ito-
niacinamide.
Yeah. Para ganyan ang skin.
Alam mo, totoo.
Glowing, no?
Totoo ba yan?
Totoo.
Pero hindi totoo. Alam mo,
Oo.
nagpa-skin analysis ako. 61 years old yung age ng skin ko prior to using this one, ha?
Oo.
And then after a month of using this, 46 na yung age ng skin ko.
Totoo
Promise.
ba?
May regalo ako sa'yo, pero
Sige,
try mo.
gagamitin ko.
ah.
Ito naman,
This
ito.
one is the Naya Whitening Lotion. Kakalabas lang nito, pero 100 lang yung nilabas namin na sold out in less than 5 minutes.
Yeah. Naging entrepreneur ka na.
Grabe, hindi ko ba alam. May sigad kasi kung saan ako dinadala,
Oh,
Miss
sige.
Karen.
Wait lang guys, inaayos lang po. Huwag tayong matarantang out na. Check out na. Sold out na. Ayan, sold out na daw. Guys, maraming salamat po sa sold out ng lotion natin.
And then, eto na naging workplace na namin to, Miss
Oh,
Karen.
nice.
Baby, can you close your door first?
Ang ganda naman ng
Ayan,
ano na to,
si
ng
Eya,
flooring.
Anya po. Ayan.
Oo. Hello, Anya. Oh, hello, can I meet Anya?
Come here.
Ang tangkad.
Nahihiya yan. Sabi, Mom, my hair's not fixed. Did you fix your hair ba?
Anya, hello. And Karen, you're so tall. Wow, the products of your mom are named after you. So pretty, so pretty. You're still in college.
College?
No more?
How old are you?
Oh, wow.
14.
God, you're 14? Guys, tinan mo naman ang tita. So what is your dream?
I just dream to be successful,
Okay.
rich in the future.
Rich!
I will,
Gusto ko
I will
yun.
tell you what my dad told me. Karen, don't look for the money. Find something you love to do. The money will come, but you have to
Yeah.
love to do it.
That's true.
Because when you love it, you know you'll have purpose, you're gonna have fulfillment, you're gonna make a difference, and then the money is just a byproduct.
True,
The
true.
money should not be the goal.
Yeah.
So be the
Uy,
change
remember,
we
that's
need.
from Tita Karen,
Be
ah.
the change we need, ah.
Yes,
We need a change
Ay,
ng
nako.
younger generation.
Presidente ng class yan.
Yan. Okay. Ito yung cologne.
So, yeah,
Guys,
actually,
kala ko Joe Malone.
Yun talaga yun!
Sabi ko, bakit ang daming Joe Malone sa bahay na to?
I had to pick a packaging that is elegant, Miss Karen.
Joe Malone yan, oh.
Yan. So, I have a gift for you. Miss Karen talaga
ano ba
nakalagay.
ang- wow, I love
ito,
it.
ito sa'yo to.
Wow,
Ayan.
thank you. Okay,
Tapos,
ito muna.
okay.
Ano ba ang best scent mo?
Okay, syempre pag tinanong mo ako, what's your best scent? I would say all. Why? Kasi personal scents lahat
Yes.
yan.
Okay.
Oh, try mo to.
Nakalagay petal blush.
That is the counterpart of the Lina La Rose.
Ay, ang pango.
Para
Lalagay
siyang-
ko na lang dito.
Para siyang Miss Dior Blooming, hindi. Para siyang Miss Dior Rose Kabuki.
I love it.
Bango, di ba?
Oo, so who makes it?
May manuf kami na na kinuha for this.
Oo. Guys, ang bango. Ah, di ba?
Sigurado
Bango.
ka ba? Sure
I
ka?
mean it.
Pero hindi, bestseller
Oo,
ito.
yan ang
Bestseller ito.
bestseller.
oo.
Ano pa?
Chanel number 5, gusto mo?
Wow, may ganun.
Pero hindi Chanel number 5 to. This is Timeless Elegance.
Ito parang,
Powdery.
oo. Very panggabi.
Oo.
Panggabi to.
Pang madam.
Oo, pang madam. Panggabi, pang formal.
But that's-
Yung isa kasi pang everyday.
Yes.
Wow. Diyos ko, mahirap na. Ano na bang? Ano
Pwede mo yung, Miss Karen, pwede mo siyang pang like halimbawa, katulad niyan, meron kang work na ganyan lang, imbis na gumastos ka ng, ng mahal, ito na lang, gamitin mo.
Oo, definitely.
Gamitin mo to.
Oo. Yes.
Hindi ako mapapahiya sa'yo,
Gamitin mo to.
Gamitin mo, ha?
Oo. Okay.
Tas eto na.
Ang neat nila, oh. All I wanna say, people, in this house, they really store their shoes.
Yes. Welcome to our
Wow.
room.
I love it. Ang lamig. Kaya ang laki
Okay.
ng TV.
Ang
Oo.
sarap dito magkape-kape
Ang
ka in the
sarap.
morning. So ito naman yung isang room where, isang area where we do live selling
Okay,
also.
umupo ka nga, pakita.
Okay.
Sa sample po siya.
Hi guys! Hello, this is Sherilyn Reyes Tan and welcome to our live po. Yes, this is your Tan Fam page here on Facebook. And if, guys, kung kayo po ay nagtatanong if legit, you can actually explore the page and you see all our social media accounts there. Ayan, i-follow nyo na rin yan. And guys, this is your Anya perfume. Okay, so meron po tayong 16 cents. 16 perfumes, but we are not limited to 16 cents kasi pwede nyo silang i-layer. So why spend 52,000 pesos on a Baccarat Rouge 540 when you can enjoy your luxurious flame for only 999?
Gosh, okay. So how many hours do you live sell?
Usually 3 hours for the perfume, pero umaabot ako ng 5 hours for Naya.
Ba, a
So,
day?
A day.
Do you
Minsan
do
7
it
hours.
every day?
Almost every day.
Wow.
It's part of my day
My
na.
God, that's work.
Miss Karen,
Yun
yung
lang
sabi
pala.
mo,
Yun lang
yung
sikreto
sabi mo kay Anya, 'di ba? Sinabi mo na you find something that you like and then
Yeah.
it's not like
That
it's
you
like
love to
yeah,
do.
it's
Ikaw
like you're not
ito.
working for a day, 'di ba?
Yes.
Something like that. Ito 'yun for me.
Ano
Ayan,
yun?
ako tingnan
Oo.
mo 'yan.
Yan.
Sige.
Oh, eto
So
na.
yung Naya, ang dami nagte-trending, Miss Karen. Okay, you see Naya Cinnamide, Centella Asiatica, syempre gusto mo ng glutathione, marine
Oo,
collagen.
pareho lang to.
Yes. So, 3 bars in 1 pouch, which is only 199.
Paano ka kumikita doon?
Exactly. Yun din tinatanong ng mga tao. Alam mo, ang liit ng markup, but it's the joy of seeing people na
Yes.
you get to help them. Biruin mo, 3 days pa lang sasabihin, oh my God, may tightening effect. Oh my God, 5 days pa lang, nag-lighten na
I'll
yung
use it,
melasma
ah.
ko. Yeah.
Oo.
Talaga, ang dami
Yan.
nun. 20 yung bigay ko sa'yo. 20 times 3. Ilan yon? 60.
Ito madali naman to gamitin.
Miss
Mamaya
Karen,
na po.
face and body yun ah.
Yun.
Yes, for the entire family.
Ito,
Yes, face and body.
Ito.
So, kung sanay ka sa mamahalin na skincare, Itatapat ko yung Naya, promise. So, I decided to put everything together in one soap para
Yeah.
yung mga tao na hindi nakaka-afford. Kasi kawawa naman yung...
But ang galing nito, you know the difference is you created something.
Yeah.
Right? Diba? Unlike yung history mo na you were selling bags, that's okay, but you were just selling middleman, you get me? Ito, may joy ka kasi you created the soap. You created the scents.
Yes, and I created something na I know
can
may
be proud
purpose
of.
talaga, Miss Karen. This is not just a soap, Miss Karen. It is a story. It's my journey. It's my story.
It's your journey.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ito na, dito.
Ayan. Dito
ayan.
ka ba kumakanta?
Minsan,
Ang
dito
mga
ako
neighbors mo ba
nagsushoot.
dito?
Yeah, nagsushoot
Ah,
ako dito
nagsushoot
minsan.
ka dito.
Yeah, I shoot here sometimes. Yan, minsan nandyan ako muni-muni, isip-isip.
May nagsabi na ba sa'yo, hawig kayo ni Jelly de Belen?
Yes, minsan naka-live sell ako. Hi, Miss Jelly. Sabi ko, hindi po ako si Jelly.
You are
Kumari
both-
ko po siya.
You are both very beautiful and I have
Thank
to say,
you.
ang ganda-ganda mo.
Salamat, Miss
Oo.
Karen. Eh, ikaw kaya, apparition ka
Pilipina.
kaya.
Hindi, Pilipinang maganda.
Salamat
So,
po.
pwede kayo magkapatid ni Jelly.
Actually, payat lang siya talaga. Hindi na tumabata-bata si Jelly.
Matindi rin ang pinagdaanan mo sa buhay. Bakit palagi siyang nabibiktima at naloloko?
Kasi tanga ako, Miss Karen.
Ano nangyari? Bakit naman? Oh.
I think it's because ayoko kasi nakaka-offend. I am a people pleaser. I don't like offending people. So if someone tells me, oh, pwede bang bilhin ko to tapos hindi na lang layaway, kunin ko na lang, I'll just issue a check. Parang it's so hard for me to say no because I don't like offending people. So now I'm healing, I'm learning. My husband would say, I hope you already learned your lesson, di ba? Kasi ang mahal ng tuition fee ko.
Yung una, bag business din.
Yes.
Be specific.
Ito talaga, may kaing-ingan talaga to. So, okay, syempre sa bag business, parang kahit hindi kayo magkakakilala, parang na kayo magkakakilala, and then you deal with each other, pag okay naman, diba? So, nandun yung trust sa isa't isa. Minsan, kukuha ng bags. Eh, at first kasi, mga kinukuha niyang bag sa akin, mga luma. So, parang okay lang sa akin. I don't think naman na may gagawin to or anything. Tapos, pag hindi naman niya nabenta, sinusoli naman niya. Hanggang sa there was one time na sabi niya, Shay, ano daw, yung bag, may bibili, ganyan-ganyan. So, naiwan na sa kanya. Sabi ko, asa na? Sabi niya, hi, wala ako sa bahay. I'm out of the country. Naiwan sa room, nakalak yung room, ganyan-ganyan. Hanggang sa, wala na. Wala
Pero
na.
isang bag yun.
Isa pa lang yun.
Okay. So, magkano yun na ang nawala sa'yo, no?
That time, mga nasa 700 pa lang
1,000.
yun.
Ano yung bag na yun?
Hermes,
Okay, na Birkin.
Birkin.
And it was your bag or someone else's bag?
Probably it was someone else's bag.
Na nagpapabenta?
Yes, na nagpapabenta. Tapos eto pa, Miss Karen, para makarecover siya, binigyan ko pa siya ng ibang bag.
Pero binayaran ka niya sa bag? Hindi.
Ang nangyayari, o halimbawa, magbebenta siya, tapos yung kikitain niya, ima-minus ko sa utang niya sa akin. So medyo pinadaman niya rin ako, 'di ba? Parang okay, first few checks nangyayari, okay, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos biglang, sabi niya, Shay, meron akong client. She's looking for a bag. Ngayon ganito. Sabi niya, gusto mo pasamahan mo sa tao mo. So ako parang okay, sila maghahawak. There's no way na makuha sa akin yun, 'di ba? Oh my God, planado, Miss Karen. So yung isang tao ko nandun sa van niya, supposedly rented van pala yun, na iniwan lang din nila because nandun sila sa parking, may ibang sasakyan, pinuslit yung mga bag ko. Eh magkano yun, 'di ba? Tapos pinatrace namin, naasan, ganyan-ganyan. Alam mo, in less than few hours, meron na mga nag-offer sa akin ng bag. Naibenta na sa kanila. Talaga,
So,
Miss
umabot
Karen.
sa 30 million yun?
Ang 30 million was yung eto ng huli, 37.
Is it the same girl?
It was not the same girl.
Okay. Paano ka naloko ng 37 million pesos?
Siyempre, ang dami kong bags na binigay.
So, yung mga bag na yon, ano yun? Binili mo, inutang mo,
Mix.
sinors mo? Mix. Hindi ka ba kumukuha ng cash? Parang let's say, ibebenta mo, ideally, bayaran mo na ako.
Ano kami, terms palagi,
Oo.
Miss Karen. So, nag-umpisa kami sa may ini-issue siyang cheque, hanggang sa, minsan, wala nang cheque, ano na lang, online transfer, minsan, nauuna pa siya sa due date, alam mo yung ganon. So, talagang, you wouldn't think na gagawin niya sa'yo yun or may mangyayaring ganon because she was really dealing na maayos naman.
Ba't di ka na lang niya bayaran?
Wala na siya, umalis na siya. Kasi I was not the only one. Imagine yung pawn tickets na nakuha namin from the dad, ang kapal, Miss Karen. Parang 300 pawn tickets doon, 120 doon, na-identify ko akin.
Did you have to pay?
Yes.
Binayaran mo yung mga bag owners.
Yes.
Where did you get the money?
Okay, so nung
Wow.
nung umpisa kasi, si Chris, my husband, was able to sell a property. So lahat ng mga ano namin na cover nun. But yung etong sumunod, Miss Karen, so you had to loan. May mga loan sharks, 4%.
Nag-loan ka.
Oo.
Na-loan shark.
Yes.
Hanggang ngayon may utang ka pa.
Wala na. Meron pa kami dalawa na konti na lang. Sobrang bigat nun talaga.
Kumbaga, naloko ka na,
Na-take
diba?
advantage.
Nagkautang ka pa, may interest pa.
Yeah. And you know what? You'd be surprised because pag nangyari sa'yo to, I don't know but in my case, ang mga tumulong sa akin are not the closest friends. Yung iba kong supplier, Miss Karen, so syempre nakipag-usap kami for restructure, di ba? O pwede ba restructure? Kasi that time we were paying 6 million a month.
What?
6 million a month, Miss Karen.
And then nabayaran mo in 6 months.
Hindi, taon. Taon din. Taon din,
6
syempre.
million a month, so umabot ng 60
Yung
plus million.
6 million a month, na restructure namin siya. Bro, di ba?
So yung 37 million mo na naloko ka sa bags,
Trumiple yan because of the interests, because of yung ibang nagpa-restructure, may interest din. As in, totoo yun, Miss Karen. But you'd be surprised, sabi nga namin, like, where we are now, grabe si God.
bilib din ako sa asawa mo, ha? He stayed with you, supported you. Ang iba niyan mag-aaway.
Yung iba, hinihiwala,
iiwan,
yeah.
may hiwalay.
Totoo yun.
What was Chris like?
Eto, sabi niya, when I told him, sabi ko, Han, umalis na. Nawala na si doktora. She flew away. And then he told me na, ako na ang bahala. Kaya natin to. And then after that, pumunta pala siya sa banyo. Eto, lately ko na lang nalaman pumunta siya sa banyo, umiiyak din siya, Lord, paano na kami? There were times when aalis siya, yung inaasikaso nga niya na aalis siya, mag-meeting siya, uuwi siya. Pag masaya, maganda yung meeting, okay, so masaya tayo. Pag hindi maganda yung meeting, hindi mo na uuwi yan. Ay, diretso, nasa may gate muna namin yan. Iiyak muna yan. Bago pumasok para hindi namin maramdaman. Siya lahat, ang may cargo. Siya nakikipag-usap, siya yung binabalaan na pag hindi mo napondohan tong checking to, papatalbugin ko to, makukulong kayo, may mga ganun. Siya
Pero
lahat.
Sherilyn, when you look back at your own decisions, what did you learn?
Kailangan talaga, you have to know your client. Not all sale is a sale until it's fully paid, 'di ba? At saka yun nga, yung to say no, and when there are things that I want to happen and they don't happen, I just say, okay God, then it's you. I always say, Lord, if it's you, okay lang. Kung hindi ikaw, please, i-block mo yan.
Yung nasa scam, that story of your life, dapat matanggal yun. That's not your story anymore.
Actually, syempre kahit papano, Miss Karen, nandun pa rin. Not until fully paid na lahat, siguro na doon na yung freedom. But yes, I don't really dwell on it anymore. But then there are times when you think about it. And that's the time na nare-remind ka na, wait lang, huy, before you make a decision or you do something, remember what happened before. Because I also don't want to go back there. Mahirap yung pinagdaanan na yun. Buti na lang din nag-pandemic kasi you can travel. So at least yung mga anak ko, hindi mo masasabi, anak, wala tayong pera, we can travel. As a family, talagang naging stronger kami. Na-test talaga kami in many ways.
What was the lowest point of your life?
There was a time when may school na and my daughter needed a new laptop. And everyone was calling the laptop, Lola laptop. Kasi hindi ka makabili. We just had to give her the old one. It's not bad. But it's also something na hindi ko in-expect. I'm not saying na, baka may magsabi, grabe ka naman. But, nagigets mo na,
I do. Kasi ang dami namang pera nasayang. Diba?
sabi ko
Na-scam.
nga, ang dami kong bag. Para pala akong si Small Loud eh. Pero wala sa akin yung bag ko. Binayaran mo yung bag na yun. Ang dami, Miss Karen. I was able to identify 120. I couldn't even, just ko, hindi ko man na nabawi ni isa.
Alam mo, interesting si Chris. 3 beses kayong ikinasal.
Okay, kasi nung bago pa lang kami, Miss Karen, nagkaroon kami ng parang commitment ceremony. That was December 2001. And then, nag-civil wedding kami, 2003, December din. Then, church wedding, December 2012. Then, last year, was it last year? Yes, last year, nag-propose siya ulit sa akin.
So, if you would have me, wala akong ring, just like the first time, to follow na lang yung... Kasi marami pa tayong kailangan tapusin. But will you marry me again? For the 4th time?
Ang pangako nga niya sa akin kung saan kaming lugar magpunta, saang bansa, magpapakasal kami, kaya lang it's not easy pala.
How did you know it was Chris?
You
He's
just
also
know.
so loyal.
Yes. He's very, ay nako. Sabi nga niya, alam mo, mas mahal kita kaysa sa mas mahal mo ako. I still long to be with you. Sabi ko, ako rin naman. It's just that, syempre, kailangan ko rin naman magtrabaho, di ba? But, yeah, nandun pa rin. Ano pa rin kami sa isa't isa.
Pero basketball player siya, di ba?
Yeah, he used to be.
Iisipin ng nanonood, di ba basketball players, ang laki-laki ng kita, ang yayaman.
Eh, syempre, nauubos din yung kita mo. Nauubos din yun. And then, nung younger years talaga namin, I would say, ano rin kami, grabe din naman kami, Miss Karen. I mean, siguro because wala rin guidance, hindi rin, di ba, sarili mong pera, you wanna splurge, you wanna travel, you wanna buy this, that. So I think that was also, it also had to happen para by the time na dumating kami sa age na to at bigyan kami ni God ng bigger blessing, alam na namin kung paano i-handle. Ang galing niyang humawak sa pera, even sa operation ng business, lahat. Magaling utak ni Chris. Actually, he's very brilliant. He's very brilliant. Yun nga lang, matigas lang talaga yung ulo ko. Siyempre, I have my own thinking, di ba? Sometimes gusto ko rin na, maganda yung iniisip ko eh, di ba? And then later on, if it prospers, they well and good. Kung hindi, edi I told you so na naman. Magpapatuto na nga yan dito, I told you so.
Lalo mo ba siyang minahal?
Mahal ko naman siya. Yes, oo.
Pero lalo.
Siya naman, he's very confident enough to say na wala ka na makahanap na ganito. Totoo naman talaga. And the way he loves me talaga, hindi lang para sa akin or sa akin, sa mga anak ko din. Priority niya kami. Walang barkada yan. Barkada niya yung anak ko. Sila nag-golf lang dyan sa tapat.
Pero blessing
Oh,
mo siya.
yes. Yes, number one.
Yeah.
Him and my children talaga, Miss Karen. Kasi it's something that money cannot buy.
So you stood by her, hindi biro yung panloloko, yung na-scam, yung pera involved. Chris, what did you go through?
Can I say hell?
Hell, pwede naman, oo. Oo.
Yeah. Actually, it wasn't me. It's the whole family. Pero the hardest part siguro, I tried to shield kasi I thought, siya kasi pag dinidibdib. Ako, it's more of kayanin ko na lang kasi wala rin naman choice. And she did it naman for the family. It's not like she did it to shop. So sa akin, there were times lang that I would, coming from a meeting, tapos pangit, I'd stop somewhere first, break down.
Oo.
Then-
Wow.
Then come home. I don't know if she mentioned, I liked her kasi for 7 years prior to getting together.
I didn't mention that part.
Wow. So you did, crush mo na siya noon? Gusto mo
Gusto ko
na?
siya i-crush.
Gusto mo na siya noon? Noon pa?
I just didn't want yung parang, what if? So I tried. So 24 years now, going on 25. Actually, I think yung marriage, Miss Karen, is still the same. Pero it's more of the mindset, especially my mindset. Tapos I'm hoping na her mindset. So, okay din. Siguro for my kids, natutunan nila na maaga. Hopefully, when they get married, they see na parang, okay, hindi pala to pagkain na kung ayaw mo iluluwa mo. You just stay. So, di ba sabi nga nila, ask and you shall receive. Mahal ka ng Diyos. So, syempre, eto na ako. I left the house. This was during pandemic. Ako lang yung lumalabas eh. So, I went to the grocery. It's like a 5-minute drive. From the time I got into the car, minumura ko na siya. Di ba magalakas ka? Di ba ganyan ka? So, I went inside the grocery, then I went back. Pagbaba ko ng car, I felt the heaviest load ever. Kasi talagang, tapos nung gabi, I don't really read yung mga posts sa social media about God. Kasi sa akin, paminsan nagagamit niya. But there was one that I read, and it was Footprints in the Sand. Sabi ko, wow, doon ako nag-breakdown sa
Yeah.
kanya. Nasabi ko parang, okay, ang hiningi ko, save mo ko. Pero ang binigay mo sa akin is to show me how is it if I'm not carrying you? Pag ikaw lang. So I broke down there, tapos from there, ikaw na bahala.
Yeah.
So, ang negosyo ng pamilya nyo, live selling.
Yes.
All of you.
Yes.
Pati si asawa.
Siyempre, pag point of view na lalaki, siya yung nagla-live. At saka pag siya yung nagla-live, mas maraming nabebenta kaysa sa akin. But most of the time, ako yung nakaharap. Siya yung admin, siya yung sumasagot sa... Kasi pag sa Facebook kami, nagla-live, manual yun. So he talks to everyone. Talagang very personal yung approach.
Sa dami ng nasa-scam ngayon, ano ang dapat nilang bantayan?
First of all, if it's too good to be true, probably...
It is.
Diba?
It is.
Yes.
It's oo.
Ibig sabihin nun talagang... Yun.
Scam yun.
Yes, scam yun. If there's a single parang agam-agam na feeling, wag nang ituloy talaga.
Oo.
Greed eh. Greed din meron, Miss Karen. Even if I would say na hindi greed yun eh. Kasi there were times when hindi ko inanuhan hindi ko minarkapan yung ibang bags because I want the relationship for you to say na, oy, at least si Ate Shay, minsan may mga bags na walang markup.
Pwede kang nag-isa-isa muna.
Yes.
Isa-isang bag.
Yes, but because you feel like, oh, everything is going to be okay. So feeling mo, okay na okay yan. Hindi mo na naisip what could happen.
Do you still sell bags?
Yes, but not like
Now?
before.
How do you sell bags now?
Okay, before kasi we used to travel or pag halimbawang merong magandang deal kukunin mo and then isa-sell mo. Ngayon hindi na. If someone's looking for one, that's when I will look for one. And I run it by Chris talaga. Now, para just in case whatever he decides, ipapaterms mo ba to or hindi, cash ganyan, or whatever happens, okay, at least hindi ako yung masisisi kasi parang kotang-kota na ako in this lifetime sa kasalanan kong ganyan, sa pagkakamali kong ganyan.
Wow. Anong mensahe mo sa doktora?
God bless you.
What's joy and happiness to you?
Because yung, like, meron na nga kaming brand na bago. So, alam mo yan, parang nagkaroon ako ng bagong purpose aside from being a wife, aside from being a mom.
Meron ka bang paboritong Bible verse?
Siyempre, with God, nothing is impossible. Diba? Look yan eh. Look, may Matthew din na ano niyan. But you know what I realized? Nung bata ako, ang very first verse ko na natutunan or nalaman, Matthew 5:44. Love your enemies and pray for your persecutors. Sabi ko, kaya pala, because mangyayari pala sa akin to. So, tinanim na ni God sa akin yan because He wants me to forgive.